As we have a delete button, we have number one, and the item is swimming. Complete button will going to be just like button, whereas here I write complete, and this will have a class called as button success, and this is the delete button. So we have the class, first we have the button and the closing tag of button, then we have class. These are all the Bootstrap classes, and it is very harmful. Alert, ALERT, delete. Test it out. We have swimming, and reading is also a part, so we are going to copy it all two and paste it over here, and now test that what will be the result of that particular app. Yeah, we have this. Now there is a mistake. Let's see that whether what is the mistake over here. Okay, these two button are created, complete and delete. Alert will not be the class for button, it will be for text, but we can see that whether, as alert class is not working here, so we are going to write warning. Alert class is for text, it's not for buttons. Text, yeah, sorry, warning. Okay, now test it out how our, yeah, this is working right now. Okay, this is now working, and this is not interactive right now, but this is the UI. You can produce interactiveness by using JavaScript or PHP. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video.